printed jet engine made out of PLA plastic. This is aluminium moulded from the PLA plastic that's there. In the other video I showed you the little spouts that was attached to this. That was the end of one of them. So what's happened here is the plastic hasn't melted out of the mould properly, because I've just bodged the mould and it was collapsing and everything. So the little split through. That's around that point there. So I need to get better at moulding the metal. That's a good first attempt, I think. Also shrinkage, you need to increase the size or account for that in your design. You can see not quite got there, because of the shrinkage is about 1.8%, something like that, 2%. But the mould actually went quite well, considering it's just a trial run. See these bits there, they're not there. Either the plastic or I've got air in the mould still. I've not got all the designed it right, so yeah. Don't know if the colour of it is from possibly bits of plastic that's still in the mould or what that is, but there we go. That's the result of that. Got a few blades missing because I spun this up with a compressor. And they went ping, see you later. It's not balanced or anything, and the shaft's a little bit bent, so that's why they went bye bye. Plus they're only plastic. See, sometimes the body is bending. Got here, it's got a little infrared light sensor for the Arduino. I've inverted the little LEDs that you get with it, so that'll hopefully tell me the speed of it when it does go. There you go.